The haunted hotel has some fresh vacancies and it is time to check in. Rumor on the street has it that this place is firing on all cylinders this year. We're gonna take you inside with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
You have your reservation, don't you, Nora?
Always.
What's your room number?
13.
13?
Yeah.
There was an incident in room 13 not too long ago.
There's always incidents in room 13.
I mean, we can't help it. What do you want from us? Clean sheets?
No.
What do you think this is? Some kind of fancy hotel?
No.
Come on now. How are you doing? Do you have a reservation with us tonight, love? No reservation? It's a hotel!
I mean, there's a vacancy probably.
Well, there's a sign that says vacancy anyway. I don't know if there is one or not. You are special.
Oh, hi.
Hello, handsome.
Oh, thank you.
I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to him. How are you, though?
Oh, I'm great. How are you?
Fantastic. You have your room number?
13.
You're all staying together?
Yeah.
All of you?
Yeah, it's pretty weird.
That's wonderful to hear, loves.
I wouldn't do that.
Good heavens.
Don't love that.
I can tell you exactly what she's going to find in you.
What is that?
Everything. Light, darkness, happiness, sadness. The reasons why people come to the hotel, love. The exact reasons why.
Maybe a gerbil in there.
Just remember when you're inside to breathe deeply. And the mother will take you home.
Mother?
Right, Nora.
Yes. Just breathe and scream.
Oh, that's like... Oh, no.
Oh, gosh.
I do feel her.
Feel her, don't you?
Yes, she's here.
All will become clear, don't you worry.
Oh my, he's got oh my.
How did you get that?
He had it in his mouth. It's all over the side of my head.
We ain't even been inside yet.
That's gross. I'm just wondering if he's going to get a warning or not. Yep.
It's time.
Good luck, buddy.
Oh my.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, I thought I was about to lose my Adam's apple.
Oh, God, what is that?
Oh, creepy.
Hold on.
Ring that bell right there. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Woo! Hello, welcome to the Haunted Hotel, folks. How y'all doing? We're good. Great, I love the enthusiasm.
Oh, he licked me. Oh.
You don't mind you.
I think he likes you.
Did y'all make a reservation by chance? Yes. You sure about that? Yeah. How positive?
We got a confirmation number.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
I didn't ask about that. I said a reservation.
You asked for proof.
A homeless guy outside confirmed it. He said.
That
He said.
seems real. Yeah.
Number.
Come here.
Number
Come
13.
here. No.
Yeah. What's your name? Nora.
You look that up real quick.
I said I wanted a massage.
I don't see a Nora in the system.
Uh-oh.
So you lied to me. And for what?
Well,
It should be
because
under
I like
Norma.
number. Yeah, maybe Norma with an M. Yeah.
So again, you lied to me. And for what?
Ah! I don't know. I
don't
like
know?
room number 13.
You ain't gonna get into room number 14? 13?
Ah!
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
You said 13?
Yeah,
I don't even think we have that anymore.
We're gonna have to escalate this, I think.
Anyhow, you gonna take what I got for you. You ain't gonna like it. Them bed bugs are about the size of your forehead. It's not nice. And before anybody tells you anything different, room service ain't nothing to brag about. So I did warn you. You got that?
Yep, you warned us.
You got that? Y'all gonna have room 4. Do you remember what room that is?
The
No.
one after 3.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. All right, take them on out of here. Get them out of here.
Oh God.
Yes! Come on this wall! Yes, all of you, line up! Line up! Oh, yes. Oh, I like you, big guy. Yes. Now! On the wall!
I'm on the wall.
Full Street Hotel. My name is Atlas. Welcome! I'm your bellhop today. Gribbons! Do you know Gribbons?
Yes.
Gribbins.
Yes. Gribbins.
Yes. What happened?
We don't know.
I think he passed away.
Yes! Finally!
They got him.
Oh, yes, he did. Nothing but worm casings! sulfates, nitrogen, carbon, the basic food for her babies. Now, which room is yours?
We keep saying 13, but they don't have us in the system.
We only got 4!
No,
room 4!
She said room 4. She said room 4.
Liars and can't remember a thing, but that's okay. She'll do great things with your bodies. Oh, our beautiful matron will know exactly what to do. Now, watch your step up!
Piss. I don't know. Oh my, they're already mad.
Go in!
Oh God. You can get right down. Oh shoot. I am not luggage. Yeah. Oh God. Oh no.
Oh, hello.
Look out. Back out! Oh no! The elevator does not seem to be working properly. No, I don't like it. Ah! Where'd he go? Oh shit.
Shooting on my feet!
Yeah. We're going down. Way down. Oh God. He does not speak. Bye.
Whoa, holy shit.
Thanks.
Wow.
For taking us to not our room.
Alrighty.
Where are your luggages? Where are they? Watch your step! I'm working on it. Where are your luggages? I really don't know. I didn't bring any. No!
I need some new tools for my maintenance shop. I don't have that. Where's my tools?
I don't know. I don't know where the method is. I don't know what method is.
Oh, the keys. All the keys.
I don't know. Hello? Knock, knock.
Where's the room 4? Hi, I'm looking for room 4. Oh.
Do you have
Hi,
room
Sticky.
for?
Oh!
Yep, that's what that is.
I think you have a problem.
Wine is not near as good as vodka. No, wine is good. I'll just stay out here. Oh, no, that's not necessary.
Oh, okay.
There's something in the freezer. I don't know if she's frozen. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're back. No.
Stinky!
He does smell. Yeah, sorry.
Fucking real laundry! No! I don't like dirty laundry!
Oh,
Where's the fucking dirty?
I don't know. Where's that much dirty?
Keep going, keep going, keep going!
Okay, we're going. What is this? What the fudge?
Okay.
Don't talk. It's a library. Marco.
Don't do that.
Why are you yelling? You're yelling. Yeah, I'm very filthy. Hi, Nora. Hi. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Do you have any water?
These stairs could use a dusting.
Are you in the like smearing shit all over my wall?
I sure am, and I'm not gonna stop.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
That's a big one. What did you do?
She's eating him!
That's gross.
Oh, don't do that.
The blood of Christ for you.
Ew.
Tyler, what is that?
I don't know what room 4 is. What do you mean, what is that? I need
one after room
teeth. I need
3.
4 or 5 teeth. You're gonna help me with
Teeth!
that? Teeth! I need teeth! I sacrificed 4 or 5 of them. Well, you know what? Come on.
No! Oh, what the
that's
fuck?
That's gross. What? You don't like it? You don't want it?
No.
I think it's real good.
No. That'll back you up. It'll make you constipated.
This is gross.
Oh, this is creepy. Oh God, there's somebody over there.
Where?
In person. No.
What is going on in
I don't
here?
know. Everything's in disarray. And like the mold is like starting to glow now. Yeah, I don't trust I don't know why. She ruined me! You look fine. What are you doing in here? Yeah.
What you chewing on there?
Shower. I don't need no shower now. I'm clean. Yeah.
Disconnected, huh?
So what is that?
Don't eat that. That's why you need tea.
You're
I don't care! I called room service! I didn't fucking call for you!
They said room service sucks anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, which was the one she was chewing on?
I don't know. It looks like room service is no longer here.
Hey!
Ah!
You motherfucking second!
Yeah.
Oh good, you know how a hotel works, what are you geniuses?
No.
We checked
No,
it
I
out
don't
4
think so.
times
That's
already.
our room right there. Room
Yeah.
4.
Room 4! Who told you that, huh?
The bellhop.
Everybody.
Well, we got some good news about room 4!
Yeah.
Oh, you know we've been open a long time, right?
Yeah.
I've been doing some work in room 4 for you motherfuckers!
Oh God.
Keeping it clean!
Oh God.
I did some redecorating!
We heard room service here sucks.
Well, I heard you suck!
You're not room service,
I
are you?
might.
Why don't you tell me how you like room 4 for me tonight?
Oh no.
Yeah, we've had some guests love it over the years.
Okay.
Some don't even want to leave.
Oh. Is that because they're not
Open it up, it's yours, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you stupid?
Yeah.
Let me know how you like it, huh?
Okay. Oh no.
Where'd the bed go?
I don't know. We don't
They
get a bed.
raised
Oh,
it.
it's up there. I think they did a good job reorganizing.
What? What?
I think you did a good job reorganizing it.
I know, I can it's my room.
I think it's beautiful.
Keep it moving.
It's beautiful.
Oh my God, we
You
gotta
like
go
the
through this.
redecorating, huh?
Yeah.
Come back. Huh? Visit us again.
We're gonna find another decorator.
Oh.
You, buddy.
I thought she took that pretty well.
I do too.
This is the cardio section.
Woo.
The walls are shocking. Ow! What the?
That is hot.
Ow!
People. We gotta love it, don't we? Yeah.
Anyways, how's everybody doing tonight?
We're having a
Great.
great
He's
time.
having a shocking time.
ain't
Yeah.
Anyways, back against the wall.
Yep.
Everybody back against the wall.
Back against the wall.
I don't know what the hell's down here or what the hell's gonna get all of you, but I've heard by many people his name is Jax. Is everybody ready to play with Jax?
Yeah, let's play with Jax.
I remember that game.
Yeah. Ethan, you can have your head chopped off first.
Hi, Jax.
Hi.
Are we gonna play?
Is that Jax?
We're gonna play a game.
Oh. Yep, you're beautiful.
I'm here to play with Jax.
You're welcome.
Hopefully
Oh,
he's
talks.
cute.
He talks.
Well, that's him.
Oh, are you
Trevor
Jax?
said you were ugly,
Jax.
though.
I never
Jack.
said that.
Yeah, you did.
No, I said you were really hot under the right lighting.
Under the right lighting.
Oh my God! Somebody needs to help me find my tools. Where's my tools?
Right in your
right
fucking
there.
hand.
Tools are.
In your hand.
That's one. I need my drill.
No,
Do you
I
have my drill?
We saw it inside.
What about you?
It's in the laundry room.
No, it's not.
I saw it in there.
Are you sure?
Yes, you should
I
go look.
want my drill.
You should go look for it there.
Are you sure? If not, I'm gonna come looking for you.
You should go
Both
look
of
for it.
you.
I didn't say anything.
There's a guy in there with underwear on his head. Ask him about
Yeah.
Stanky, he stole your drill.
it. He probably took it.
Uh-oh.
You got my tools?
No.
No! Fucking unlock me! Unlock me! Unlock you? Unlock me! Unlock it!
You should not have done that, Ethan.
Why?
Because he's getting a
Now he's loose.
He's getting a chainsaw. He's
You
getting a
said
chainsaw.
unlock him.
Yeah, he is. He's now free, Ethan.
You don't unlock the bad guy.
Oh!
Yeah, Trevor said he wanted it. Oh, I don't want any. I don't want any. Thank you, though. I don't want anything. Thank you, though. I'm going this way.
We
Sir.
got Trevor.
Trevor!
Trevor.
Caw-caw!
Oh God. He's moving. He's moving.
Yeah.
Oh!
He's out. He's out.
That's the one you let out.
Come here.
Why?
Come on.
Yeah. Ethan, look out!
So you see this right here, right?
Yeah. No!
Ah.
No, I don't need a bath. No!
Oh, you got it in there.
Does it smell good?
I told you to
Oh no, I smell bad.
I didn't do it.
You up next
I
time.
didn't do it.
Yeah, it's definitely Tyler's
Give me that head.
Oh,
My head. Get out of there.
oh, now my head's way too big.
Why is he
Get it in there, stretch it out. Oh, man.
Waiting.
I'm sorry.
No, 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 no,
There's a foot there.
no, not me. Show me what you got, big boy. Oh, fuck, there's two of them. Come on, monkey man, what you got? All right, come on.
You were talking shit to him, and
You
made
kind of
him
egged it on
do that.
Yeah, I always do that.
Yeah.
I like to rile them up. Those chainsaw guys love it.
All right, guys, so that was the Haunted Hotel. Like I said, they are firing on all cylinders this year. They are in rare form for sure. If you want to find some more haunted houses like this here in Kentucky, visit our website, thescarefactor.com. While you're there, sign up for our Haunted Advisor newsletter. That's where we'll send you all of our updates. And if you're out driving late to haunted houses like we are, try some FrankenFuel. It's a horror-themed energy drink, and we'll leave you a 15% off code down in the description. So if you enjoyed this video, I've got another one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.